Docker is one of the most in-demand enterprise-ready container platform that enables organization to seamlessly build, share, and run any application anywhere. Almost every company is containerizing its application for faster production workload so that they can deploy anytime and sometimes several times a day. Docker offers Docker Certified Associate exam to validate the skill set with a real-world question designed by experienced Docker practitioners. And DCA serves as a fundamental benchmark for real-world Docker skills across the container industries. Welcome to yet another episode of weekly video series from K21 Academy, where we take you on a journey from complete beginner, right from Docker installation and configuration, Docker storage and volume to Kubernetes introduction, and prepare you for the certification. Before we dive further, let's take a look to agenda. Firstly, we will see what is Docker, why there is a need of Docker. After that, why Docker certification, then who DCA certification is for. After that, exam overview. What are the topics covered in the exam, including topic-wise percentage, some labs we recommend you to perform in order to learn Docker and prepare you for Docker Certified Associate exam. And finally, DCA exam preparation tips and some FAQs. We are going to look all this in today's episode. Now let's start with what is Docker. So Docker is one of the in-demand enterprise-ready container platform. The name Docker comes from the word dock. A dock is used for loading and unloading the cargo on ships. A simple analogy can be defined here. Cargo can be containers and a ship can be operating system. All the goods in cargo are in isolation with goods of another cargo and ship itself. Similarly, in Docker, the process of container is isolated from the process of another container and the operating system itself. It simplified all the tasks of packaging your application along with all the dependency into lightweight, portable units, and we call them containers. These containers are platform independent and can be executed on any host which run Linux kernel. Docker is one of the hottest tool in the market right now as lots of teams have learned how to use it to break up their large monolithic application into smaller and more manageable units. I hope you are clear with Docker. Now, why Docker certification? Docker skills are highly preferable in today's job market, and being an expert in Docker will surely take your career to a next level. According to a report, after earning a certification, 26% report job promotions and 35% of technical professionals say getting certified led to increase in salary. Updating your profile with a DCA certificate will increase your chances of getting chosen. Certification is a commitment of your expertise in Docker and make you stand out in the corporate world. The CV with Docker certification is globally recognized and highly valued, and a company more likely to work with a certified individual rather than who isn't. These are some of the reasons you should go for DCA certification exam. Now you might have questioned who DCA certification is for. So this certification is for everyone who want to upskill and grow. Your interest in cloud technologies and your aim to learn something out of box is more than enough. And trust me guys, there's no such prerequisite for this exam. Keeping the certification aside, understanding the Docker containerization technology will take you better place for sure. Let me list down some of the professionals who should start their Docker certified associate journey right now. And they are software developers, cloud professionals, database managers, data scientists, testers, system administrators, and also non-IT professionals are looking for career change and many others. Now exam overview and all the necessary details about the exam. Let's move forward to take a look at the syllabus of the exam and start with we see here what Docker wishes to test when they administering the exam. Most user of Docker will be familiar with the task such as creating containers out of images. However, you will also be tested on your skills with Docker Swarm and being able to deploy a service in a cluster. This list just summarizes all kind of operation which Docker wants to test you on during the exam. The most specific skills they looking for Candidate with at least 6 months of Docker experience, including exposure to Docker Enterprise Edition. The knowledge, skills, and experience required at this level should be include container security, experience with at least one cloud provider, configuration management tools. You should be knowing the basic fundamentals of Linux and or Windows. These are the domains covered in DCA exam along with weightage of the questions. There will be 13 MCQs and 42 DOMC questions. You have to do all this in 90 minutes and the exam fees is 195 US dollars or 175 euro. If you want to recap all this, we also going to put this video on our blog which you can access by going onto the link k21academy.com/dca11. We also added hands-on labs you should be performing in order to learn Docker, from register for AWS account to deploy an app on pod and basic networking. You can check out this blog by going onto the link k21academy.com/dca05. Finally, DCA exam preparation tips and some FAQs. So the first steps towards becoming a Docker certified associate will be take relevant learning path. In K21 Academy, we provide learning path for Docker certified associate right from Docker install and configure to Kubernetes introduction. The second one is get hands-on practice on Docker. Hands-on lab and lab challenges provide easy way for you to quickly get practical experience on Docker and help you to learn quickly. In the next step, review all the outlines in the exam guide. It is highly recommended you to go for Docker practice exam before the actual exam. It will surely give you an idea how the exam is going to happen, what kind of questions they are going to plan, and most important, the formatting of the exam. Now some of the Docker certified associate FAQs, like what is Docker certification? How long will my Docker certification be valid? What if I need to reschedule or cancel my exam? These are some of the DCA FAQs you can check out by going onto the link k21academy.com/dca11. So we have put down everything about the certification, including the basic concept that one should know everything like Docker install and configure, image creation, management and registry, Docker storage and volumes, Docker networking, Docker image creation and compose, Docker orchestration and Kubernetes introduction. This is 4 week roadmap where we take you on your journey from complete beginner to expert level along with tips and resources to clearing the exam. We also have a dedicated team working for CB preparation and most important on-job support. If you want to become Docker certified associate and want to learn right from basics to advanced level, then we have a waitlist for you. By end of this program, you will have a knowledge of Docker containers, Docker images, Docker networking, Docker storage, and more other topics. You can register for this waitlist by going onto the link k21academy.com/dca-waitlist. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up. I will see you in another episode from K21 Academy. Till then, take care.